Hi there, beach buddies! Are you ready for a super duper fun beach day adventure? Grab your sunscreen, your hat, and your flip-flops, and let's go! It's a beach day! Hooray, hooray! Let's laugh, jump, splash, and play! With buckets and shovels and waves so blue, the beach is waiting just for you! Wow! Look at this beautiful beach! The sun is shining, the sand is soft, and the waves are going swish, swish! Let's stomp in the sand like dinosaurs. Like this. Stomp. 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 Are you ready to do it with me? Great. Here we go. Stomp. 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 Great job, everybody. Look at all the fun things to do around. There's bright beach balls, colorful umbrellas. What do you want to do first? Build a sand castle? I think that's a great idea. Let's get our bucket and shovel and let's go. Scoop the sand, fill the bucket, flip it upside down, and tap, tap, tap. I almost forgot the sandcastle song. Scoop the sand and pat it tight. Build a castle shining bright. Stack it high and build it wide. A sandy palace by the tide. Wow! A perfect sandcastle. We did it, everybody. Good job. Now it's time to go on a treasure hunt. Can you help me find seashells in the sand? Great! Look closely. What do you see? Wow! A shiny shell. And look! There's one shaped like a spiral. Let's count the shells together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shiny shells. Let's see what else we can find. Come on. Look over there. It's a tiny crab. Can you say hi to the crab? Hello, little crab. Let's pretend we're crabs now. Can you pinch your claws and walk sideways? Like this. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Are you ready to do it with me? Here we go. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Now the other side. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Wow, you're really good at moving like a crab. Let's wave goodbye to our little crab friend. Bye, little crab. Now let's turn into pirates. Arr, matey. Are you ready to look through your spyglass? Here we go. I see an island. Look, X marks the spot. Let's dig for some treasure. Dig, dig, dig. We found some golden seashells. Let's see how many we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 golden seashells. All that sandcastle building and treasure hunting is making me hungry. I think it's snack time. I brought watermelon and crackers shaped like a fish. What's your favorite beach snack? Wow, that sounds delicious. Well, I'm ready to eat. Here we go. Whoa! Feel that breeze? I think it's the perfect time to fly a kite. Let's hold our string and watch the kite soar. Whoa! Look how high it is! Now let's pretend to be kites together. Stretch your arms out and fly. Are you ready? Phew! That was fun! Wow! What a day at the beach! We built sandcastles, went treasure hunting, and even flew our kites. Thank you so much for coming with me. Give yourself a big beachy hug. Bye-bye, beach buddies. I'll see you next time.